Folks, welcome to the rate update with Dan Frio. I am Dan Frio, and this is your opening bell to real estate and mortgage rates. So let's get on to what's in the news today and how that's affecting the markets. So right now, as you know, the Russian-Ukraine war continues, but there is a little leeway here that they're saying there are talks of some kind of agreement. So what that is doing to the mortgage rates and the markets, well, MBSs are skyrocketing right now. So let's go into that. Basically, what they're saying right here in my newsletter, if you subscribe to that on a daily basis, you're going to see that they are in talks of maybe some kind of agreement. So what did I always say? When this thing ends, what are we going to see happen to rates? They're going to go up, and they might go up pretty big. So because of this news, what's going on in the markets? So let's get to the MBS market. We are down 56. I told you. Okay, so what is this? But why do we watch the MBS market? For those newbies out there, this is the bond. This is the instrument, the tool, the investment that is the biggest component of your mortgage rate. Okay, so let's say this sets the benchmark rate, the initial floor rate. Okay, and then we factor in loan level price adjustments. If you watch this weekend's live event, you'd know about that, plus company profit margins and so forth. But let's get into this. MBSs are down 56. What does that mean for rates? Well, when bond prices go down, and this is a big down, rates are going to go up. Okay, so that's where we're headed for the day. So let's see where mortgage rates are. So let's get to this chart, and I'll explain this to you. Okay, so you can see that right through here. Let's see a 3-month trend. You can see it's down, down, down. You had a little reprieve in this area here, but then we're down from there. Okay, so that gives some people a little leeway right here, or a breather, to be able to maybe jump in that we're sitting on the sidelines, but now we are down, down, down. Okay, so that's that. Let's get to where mortgage rates open, and they're going to go up from here, and they're probably going to go up at least an eighth. That's 0.125. So let's go across here and see what's going on. The 30-year fixed rate's coming in at 4.29, up 1 basis point. But again, this is factored in prior to all the news and the MBS markets opening as well. So this is where rates, they're going to go up from here, guys. So you might be seeing about 4.4 tomorrow. All right, so we're getting that closer to that 4.5 that I predicted by summer, and we're getting close to summer. So this is where we go. You can also see that I think every spot here we hit the 52-week high, except on an arm. So let's go across again. 4.29 on the 30-year fix. 1 basis points comes with a fee. Okay, these are not my rates. These are rates, the national averages on just one particular, I'll say bucket or one particular loan. But this is just giving you a benchmark of the direction rates are taking. Okay, so then we get to the 15-year fix at 3.54, up 1 basis points. Also comes in with a cost of 0.4 points. We have the 30-year FHA/VA at 3.75, no points. 30-year jumbo at 3.76, up 1 basis points. And the 5-year ARM is coming in at 3.75, up 7 basis points. Again, you're going to see a lot of these things really starting to move today. Why? Well, the trend. What's the trend look like? Well, let's see the chart right here. You can see that this is, I forget what I did. I think this is a 15-year chart. Well, you can see the direction that we've seen in the last couple months here. So you got that right here, but the trend for today is negative. And basically because the headlines, I said when Russia and the Ukraine war kind of becomes a settlement, or they stop, or they come to some kind of agreement, you're going to see the stock market rally big, and you're going to see this the bond markets and mortgage rates jump pretty substantially, that I have a feeling of. So how do you find out more about me and my team? Well, go to therateupdate.com. We have new features coming every day. One of the biggest features we just posted is the chat button. I'm still working on that. So if you posted a chat, I'll get back with you. If you post as of right now, I should be answering, and that'll be me actually answering you for the next couple days until I sign somebody to this. So if you want to chat, log into this thing. But you can go down through this. My website has a ton of features. One of the biggest features we just added, well, actually 2 or 3 of them right here. If you want to find the value of your home, plug in your information, put in your email address. It'll enter your address. It'll actually give you the value of your home, and it's really precise. Okay, if you put in your email address, it unlocks a ton of features for you. What does that do for you? What does it obligate you to do? Nothing. It doesn't cost you anything. I pay it. It basically is a tool for you guys, my fellow YouTubers, to use to monitor your house's value, see what liens you have, any opportunities on a refinance, renovation programs. If you were to rent the property, how much could you get? Airbnb, can I rent at Airbnb and make some money? Check it out. The other thing we have here is the newsletter that we have, and every day I post all this information, but on the website now you can check out the average daily rates throughout the whole country, plus check out my newsletter and sign up for it. And here's the chat button. So if you want to find out more about us, all I need you to do is go up to the top right and you're going to see how to reach us right up here. So there's 3 ways. First way, give us a call, 844-775-5626, or schedule a meeting. What it'll do is it'll create a calendar event for you. We'll do that via Zoom or a phone call, answer any and all questions that you have. Or if you're like many people, they're just like, hey, I got to get this ball rolling. So they click the apply now button and you're on your way. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll be back later this afternoon for some news in regards to some mortgage programs you might not have heard of. So thanks a lot. Take care. I'll see you this afternoon.